much of thing. Now we can find the shear force diagram, bending moment diagram, and other things of this beam. That is known as the analysis. And while doing the analysis, that is the ideal analysis. If we do, in that situation, we don't consider the weight of that beam, right? If you have done analysis in your statics in your college, then you must have known that you don't consider the weight of the beam. Okay, so we have to tell ETABS to consider the weight of this beam as 0. So for that, just go to define and click on load patterns. And over here, so we have applied the load as dead load, right? So self weight multiplier will just give at 0. So it means that whatever the self weight that this software will calculate, it will multiply it with a 0, giving the resultant value as 0. Okay, so we'll just click on modify load and click on OK. So after that, let us do analysis, and for that go to analyze. And so it is best to check the model before analysis. So this is not a complex model, so we'll just skip this step. Okay, so just click on run analysis. Okay, so it says to save, so I'll just save to documents, and I'll just create a new folder. So ETABS, here is ETA practice. I'll open this. So ETABS, okay, just save it. Now it is carrying out the analysis. So after the analysis, you can see the deformed shape of this beam. Okay, so this is the exaggerated view because the beams cannot deflect up to this position. Okay, so if you want to animate, just click on start animation and it will animate. Okay, let's just stop the animation. Let us